Here is how you can get the private mode back on a Safari using the iPhone. And let me show you how it works. And if you are new on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, if your Safari doesn't support the private browsing mode, it is because it is restricted in the settings. So you can open up the main settings app like that, proceed to the screen time section, and part of this, you have to go to the restrictions, which is the content and privacy restrictions indicated by the red icon. So you can get inside, and inside of the App Store, Media, Web, and Games, you can dig deeper in here, and you can find the web content. And in there, you have like three options. So it's only approved apps, websites, or limiting some websites, or unrestricted. So the unrestricted mode doesn't do anything to the private mode within Safari. So you want to choose that if you want this to return back to your Safari. Of course, keep in mind that you can just turn off the content and privacy restrictions altogether, and it should also bring the private mode back to Safari. So yeah, that's how you can do this. The only possible obstacle in this would be that it is passcode protected, because it depends on how the phone or iPad has been set up. So, it could be protected in a way that you are not allowed to make changes to this. So in that case, you will need to know the passcode to make the, restrictions change. But yeah, that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.